What's good, pretty gang? It's Mai, aka Pretty Mai, and today I'm showing you guys this wig that I installed. I literally installed it in less than 10 minutes. It's not much to this video at all. It's really short and straight to the point. This has to be my easiest install ever. For the people always asking, before you even watch the video, I'm gonna tell you right now, this wig is big head friendly because I got a big head. I'm not sure if you could have a much bigger head than me and still fit into it, but yeah, I do wear large, and this is a large and it's big head friendly. So yeah, I got this hair from Nadula Hair, and it did come pre-colored, and I didn't bleach the knots. I just plucked it this morning really quick. If you're new, hit the subscribe button and join the pretty gang, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a post for you guys. And let me know what y'all think about the hair down below as usual. Stay tuned if you're interested in this honey blonde brown wig from Nadula Hair. It's been a minute since I've done voiceovers, so I just wanted to do it today to show you how easy this is. So first I put powder foundation on my lace, and I applied it. You see I'm cutting the tabs in the lace or whatever, and now I'm just spraying down with Got To Be spray. This wig fits perfectly to my head, so you can see it's just sitting perfectly. Like, it's so easy. Spray and then leave it there. I styled this wig off camera on the mannequin head, and I recommend that for beginners because that way the wig will already be styled once it's on your head and you don't have to worry about that. But then we're just gonna cut off all the tabs. You'll see that there's a line around it, but I'm gonna show y'all in 2 seconds how to fix that. So to fix our line, we're just going to spray Got To Be spray along the edge. Yes, your wig is going to lift. This is why you have to work fast and tie it down. And then I'm going to take it off in like usually 10 minutes, but this time I blow dried it so that I could take it off when it was done blow drying. But once I blow dried it and took it off, here it is. It's still a little light, so I touched it up with a darker shade of the same foundation and sprayed it with Got To Be spray and tied it back up so that the foundation can dry, and along with the lace. And this time it is my shade. So here's the hair installed. That's how easy it is. It's literally done. The rest of this is just going to be me cleaning up my part a little with concealer and combing out the hair. But other than that, this is all for the tutorial. Alright y'all, so that's the whole entire tutorial. It was real quick, real simple, all of that. Yeah, so this is how the hair's looking. I know y'all probably have noticed I've been doing less baby hairs, and I'm gonna be honest, the reason for that is because I'm trying to do videos faster. I'm trying to make these videos quick and simple for y'all. But yeah, here's today's wig. It looks good. I'm actually a little bit surprised at how good it looks because I didn't bleach the knots or nothing. So I love these type of wigs for that. They're easy to put on, and you barely have to do anything to them at all. But yeah, real quick, y'all know how we do. We gotta go through the box. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. The hair's from Nadula Hair. They always have their signature black box. Look at my nails, aren't they so fire? They're so fire. Anyways, so Nadula's pretty basic with the packaging. The black box is cute or whatever. It says Nadula. It says the information on the back and how to care for the hair. But the inside is also not really, like, you know, a lot of things. Nadula keeps it simple, and they send you the wig cap, which I've used both of them, which is why it looks like this. So this is for people who already have like the tools at home. That would be fine for y'all. Like if you're like me, you already got the edge brush and all the head wraps and all that stuff, then their packaging is fine. But I just want y'all to know it don't come with any of that stuff. So real quick, we're gonna go through the stats of the hair. I'm not gonna be lazy because y'all know I usually put it on the screen, but I'm gonna go through the stats. Okay, this is Nadula's blonde highlight wig. It's a 13 by 4 lace front wig, so limited parting. or standard parting I should say. So it only goes here. Yeah, y'all know I love 13x6, but this 13x4 looks pretty deep, and I'm pretty sure it's because I just managed to not overpluck this time, because y'all know I'm an overplucker, period. But yeah, it's in 150% density, and it is actually 24 inches, and I should have known that because it's way longer than 22. And it's a straight wig, it's not body wave or nothing like that, which is why it got so straight like this. And of course, like I said, it's honey blonde, so it comes pre-colored. Barely anywhere, girl, you doing the bare minimum. Trust me when I say I did this wig just all today. Like, I didn't even have to wash it. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all the price. I don't usually do this, but let me know if y'all want me to keep doing this, because I know some people are concerned about that, so I can start reading it in the video so you don't have to go to the description box afterwards. Okay, so for the 24 inch like I have, it's $292.26. So $292.26. That is a decent price. That's actually pretty good, especially considering that it's colored already. You don't have to do nothing to it. You can slap it on your head if you want and pluck it while it's on your head. I'm just not very good at that, so I plucked it before I got it on my head. I really do like this hair. It's giving me very much Beyonce, and it's giving me very much honey. That's my nickname. I'm just gonna go ahead and say I don't have any cons because I've been wearing this hair all day. I haven't experienced a single problem. It's still silky straight, and I straightened this at 6 in the morning, and it's currently like 7 p.m. right now. But before my outro, I just want to say, if you made it this far, comment down below what kind of videos you want. I'm moving to Miami, so we're gonna have an empty apartment tour soon. But I want to know what y'all want to see. I'll do pranks, I'll do makeup, I'll do vlogging. Yeah, we're gonna change it up around here. Okay, that's all for today's video. Let me know what y'all thought about the hair, as always, and don't forget to join the Pretty Gang before you leave. Hit the subscribe button and comment Pretty Gang if you're already a part of it. You know, all the links to check out Nadula Hair are down below in my description box, as well as the link to my lashes. These are Biggie from shopmattysbeauty.com. You guys always ask. I'm gonna start saying it at the end. I forgot to last time. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.